Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, SIRIUS satellite radio, push-button start, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.